you know what, friends, remember, protect your family, protect the pack. The Onan unit was really flooded, and it just wouldn't run. It just kept spewing out fuel out of here the entire time, and it just couldn't get it to perch out and crank, but there'd be a ton of fuel coming out, and we couldn't get it clean out. So I took it apart, everything looks good. I was like, I didn't want to take off the bowl, but I had to purge out this fuel here. It was just too full. So I pinched it out, and I started without any fuel. It was just burning off this, and it did great. Burned it all out, and now it starts. So now I'm going to put this back, so if it's having a hard time starting, you have fuel coming out all over the place, try this. Tuning out because it's getting a little really too turning. Once you purge that bowl of fuel, it'll run. So now we gotta do a purge and all that other stuff. But I'll turn off. So yeah, you can't start because it's too rich. Tons of fuel coming out. You got fuel pumping out here. Just pull that line, pinch it, run it through, finish the bowl off. It'll start. And once it's done starting, then put the fuel line back in, it can kind of reset itself. So it's not flooding the entire chamber and keep pumping more gas when it's just flooding everything. Okay? Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helped. And as far as the leaf valve goes, the oil coming into the chamber, I went ahead and I think I put it this way, with this sticking out. That way, the oil that's in the chamber, that's inside, can't go through. But the tube in here can breathe into this section and push the leaf up and breathe. Right here, see? So this tube is on this side. The oil is on the opposite side. So it makes sense for the oil to be blocked, right? And when I opened it, it was actually like this, which then lets oil out no matter what. Okay, that makes sense? So I think that's the solution. I think someone in the manufacturing plant probably made a mistake and slipped them all up this way. That's why I had constantly oil over here, oil down here, and I think that's going to solve the problem. Also the gasket, there's a little bit of a thing there that probably let fuel through, but I'm kind of thinking that's not the problem. I think it's the way that they flipped it. And I think that will solve my problem right now. So anyways, now it runs, so I can prove that it does work with it. And I think that should solve the oil problem that I have in the chamber. Okay, now I should keep my car clean and go from there. Now I just got to work on somehow securing that guy. And I can't get this case out of there, so I'm thinking about cutting it. But I don't know if that's the best route or not. So anyways, there you go. Thanks for watching.